Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
August 17, 11:01 America, New York. Endo International files for bankruptcy to weather opioid lawsuits. Endo International became the latest pharmaceutical company to file for bankruptcy under the weight of lawsuits alleging it played a role in fueling the opioid crisis.
Daily FX Market News.
August 17, 10:42 America, New York. EUR, USD Deep Dive. When will Euro sellers pose a sustained break below parity? EUR, USD hit parity more than a month ago. Since then, prices has held above the big figure, even as sellers have swatted down every bullish flare that's showed up since.
Global economy.
August 17, 10:26 America, New York. Climate is a supply chain problem that can't be ignored. The waterborne infrastructure of global trade could dry out or shut down as the world heats up.
Global economy.
August 17, 9:46 America, New York. Egypt's central bank governor resigns. Official quits as Arab state struggles with foreign currency shortage and economic fallout of Ukraine conflict.
Daily FX Market News.
August 17, 9:44 America, New York. DAX 40 at inflection point, retreats from key 14,000 level. The index struggled to maintain recent gains as it flirted with the key 14,000 level.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
August 17, 9:13 America, New York. Germany's Uniper reports heavy loss over Russian gas supply cuts. The country's largest Russian gas importer posted a net loss of more than $12.6 billion for the first half of the year, hit hard after Moscow slashed deliveries to Germany from June.
Daily FX Market News.
August 17, 8:48 America, New York. South African Rand price forecast. FOMC minutes critical for USD, ZAR. USD, ZAR bulls managed to extend its rally this afternoon after better than expected core U.S. retail sales data supplemented an already high-flying dollar.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
August 17, 8 o'clock America, New York. Democrats to keep pressing on paid family leave, childcare subsidies. Narrow legislative majorities and potential midterm losses are poised to threaten the party's push to advance initiatives left out of the Inflation Reduction Act. The Library of Economics and Liberty.
August 17, 8 o'clock America, New York. Why we can't trust the COVID death statistics. The plural of anecdote is data. The line above comes from a story that, according to Greg Yarrail, one of my former colleagues at the University of Rochester, George Stigler, told him in the 1970s.
Marginal revolution. August 17, 7:41 America, New York. Still under-policed and over-imprisoned. A new paper, The Injustice of Under-Policing, makes a point that I have been emphasizing for many years, namely, relative to other developed countries, the United States is under-policed and over-imprisoned.
New York Times Business.
August 17, 7:24 America, New York. A German utility reports a big loss as Russia cuts gas flows. Uniper, Germany's largest importer of natural gas, has had to pay high prices for gas on the open market to make up for the drop in Russian deliveries. A Uniper gas storage facility in Bavaria.
New York Times Business.
August 17, 7:18 America, New York. Target's profit sinks as it offloads inventory shoppers don't want. The retailer's second quarter profit fell 90% from the year before, far below what Wall Street analysts were expecting. Target has struggled with a glut of inventory as shoppers have curtailed their spending on discretionary items.
Global economy.
August 17, 6:39 America, New York. Toyota and Foxconn hit as drought leads to record low Yangtze River. Extreme weather in Sichuan province slashes hydropower capacity. BBC News Business.
August 17, 6:07 America, New York. Ladbrokes owner Entain to pay £17 million for breaching rules. Entain failed to properly check possible money laundering or offer support to struggling customers.
BBC News Business.
August 17, 6:01 America, New York. Pace of UK house price rises slows, says ONS. Property values rose fastest in Scotland in the year to June, official figures show.
New York Times Business.
August 17, 6 o'clock America, New York. Yellen directs IRS to embark on $80 billion overhaul plan. The Treasury Secretary's priorities include clearing a backlog of unprocessed tax returns, revamping antiquated technology and hiring thousands of new employees.
Digital finance.
August 17, 5:56 America, New York. Yuval Ruse wants language to connect blockchains. The CEO of Digital Asset says its smart contracts language will bridge projects, despite ASX setbacks. The post Yuval Ruse wants language to connect blockchains appeared first on Digital Finance.
Marginal revolution.
August 17, 4:07 America, New York. Corporate campaign spending doesn't matter much. To what extent is U.S. state tax policy affected by corporate political contributions? The 2010 Supreme Court Citizens United vs. Federal Election Commission ruling provides an exogenous shock to corporate campaign spending, allowing corporations to spend on elections in 23 states which previously had spending bans. BBC News Business.
August 17, 2:39 America, New York, UK. Inflation. How much are prices rising for you? Use our calculator to find out how much the cost of living is going up in your household.
Marginal revolution.
August 17, 1:11 America, New York. Which is the Hinji est century? A while back I linked to Holden Karnofsky's argument that forthcoming times are likely to be the most important for determining the course of subsequent history, or Hinji East, of all time. So I thought I should address the issue directly myself.